Happy 2021, happy new year, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about vision boards. I'm going to teach you how to make one, and then I'm going to show you my board and all the new goals and new energy and new vibes I have for the new year. I'm also going to show you my board from last year, which I actually completed about like 90% of everything that was on there. And yeah, so if you want to see, keep watching. And then we have this year's vision board, which I love. This is actually my favorite board that I've ever created. And I did change the layout a little bit. I still left the year on the top and then a center quote. But this year I kind of like categorized all my goals into like little sections. So it's like more visually like organized. And then I also added some positive affirmations and daily affirmations that I can read to see like what I want to like kind of manifest it into my life basically. So I'm about to do a little pan.
Ryan Little.
Details of the board. So of course I started off with the year on the top, 2021, woo! And then we have the center quote, which my center quote of the year is dreamed it then real lifed it. Last year it was live the life you've always imagined, and this year it's dreamed it then real lifed it, which is basically you dream it and then bring it to life. That is my goal for this year, so I'm gonna bring all my dreams to life, and that's my goal, so stay tuned for all that. I'm gonna start in my sections. I'm gonna start at the top right here, which we have like the nutrition fitness section, and I have some like just some body goals, some working out, a girl with some boxing gloves because I want to do boxing this year, maybe like a class or two or more, maybe if I like it, you know, spice up my fitness a little bit. Then I put nutrition because I want to get my nutrition shit, and I also want to study some more nutrition. I took a class in college about nutrition, but I want to learn some more so I can make some meal guides, meal plans, and all that fun stuff. And then I put two affirmations. I put I am strong and I am healthy. I kind of put that by the fitness category because it kind of goes with that theme. And then below it I have some romance and some love, some cute couples, you know. And I'm not gonna talk too much about that, but yeah. And then I have a little quote here that says you're worthy of all the things you want, even the things that feel out of reach, because you honestly deserve everything that you want in this life. Even the things that don't seem possible are possible. It's a little bit of work, a little bit of time, and a little bit of energy. Trust me, it's possible. You just have to work for it, and you have to want it really bad. Then also I have another quote right here, and it says your energy is your greatest asset. Protect that shit. Protect that shit, you heard? Because, you know, you are who you surround yourself with. So like if you have negative and like toxic friends, you're also gonna have that toxic energy because it's gonna rub off on you. So surround yourself with people and positive people and positive things. Anything that brings you happiness is gonna make your life a lot better, I promise you. Then I have the traveling section over here, and then I have, so basically it's the Grand Canyon. There's some jet skis because I want to jet ski in the Grand Canyon, and there's like a little road trip, girls on a road trip, and over here there's girls on a road trip. I really want to go to the Grand Canyon. Me and my best friend are planning to take a road trip there. We took some road trips last year because it's a safe way to travel, and it's just me and her. We always travel together. We're literally hanging out like all the time, so it's the safest way for us to like enjoy life still and like go out of our house. Then I have two girls thriving over here, and then I have New York because I really want to go to New York. My New York trip for last year got canceled because it wasn't safe to travel and they changed the restrictions, and I just thought it was a better idea if we just canceled the trip and planned it out for next year. So I got the travel credit saved, so a flight is going to be booked hopefully sometime in this year. have a little passport over here with a plane. I have some skincare because I want to take care of my skin. I've been taking care of my skin a lot last year, and I found a new routine that's working for me. It's been working really good. My skin is super like sensitive and it breaks out super easily, and I get hormonal acne, so it's a process, but I'm working on it. And my skin, I definitely have seen a big change, so I just want to continue with skincare, getting some more facials, doing some treatment for my skin to like get rid of acne scars. So that I have 2 girls over here thriving. Me and my best friend have been thriving, and we will continue to thrive. There's also a girl over here drinking some tequila, you know, living my best life. I want to get a spine tattoo, and I put that next to the Bali section because I still want to go to Bali. It's my dream birthday trip. I've never been to Bali, still want to go, so I put that over there. I put my spine tattoo right here because I want to get that around my birthday, hopefully a birthday gift. That'd be a good birthday, so we'll see. Also up here I have 2 girls on like snowboarding stuff, and I want to do like a ski snow trip, snowboarding trip, winter sports. I really wanted to do that. I was gonna do it last year, but it just didn't work out. I did go to like a little snow thing in Florida, but it wasn't the same, obviously. So this year we're going on a snow trip. What else do I have? For traveling, I also have Hawaii. I put some surfboards. I put a Chanel surfboard because, you know, Chanel. And then I put a little like drink, a little Hawaiian drink, and then this little cute couple pic where he's feeding her some grapes. I don't know, has like Hawaii theme, so I really want to go to Hawaii this year. I also put Mexico down here because I want to go to Mexico. I have a picture of Kendall Jenner and Bella Hadid with some champagne, thriving. Then some of the quotes I put around there is, it says it won't always make sense, that's okay. And that basically means that it's okay if it doesn't make sense. Like, there's bad things that happen to you and you're like, why did this even happen to me? Or you always question, why are these things happening to me? Like, this is so messed up. And honestly, it shapes you into who you are. Things happen for a reason. I'm a big believer in that because you may not see it right now, but you'll see it in a little bit in the future. Like, you will see why certain things happened and why certain people came into your life, why certain people left your life, or why certain things happen to you. Even in the bad things, they bring you to who you are and what you are gonna do in your future. There's another quote right here that says, be passionate and be involved in what you believe in, and do it as thoroughly and honestly and fiercely as you can. It's a really good quote to live by, so I put that over there because I want to be passionate and just do everything to the best of my abilities. 2 quotes I put are affirmations. I attract opportunities. I just want to attract a whole bunch of opportunities and growth this new year. And then the bottom it says, I'm creating the life of my dreams, because I want to live the best life possible. I'm creating all my dreams right here in front of me, so I just want to continue to do that. There's also another quote right here that says, the grass isn't greener, it's fake. A lot of things you see on the internet is not what it seems. Like, you may think some things are so perfect, but honestly it's fake. It's all made up. Like, it's just a mask. Like, half the times people see my Instagram stories and like, wow, she's like so rich, or she's like thriving and she's doing all these things. Yes, that may be the case, but not fully, if that makes sense. Like, you may see one thing, but you don't really know what it's like behind the scenes. Like, it's not what it always seems. So the grass isn't greener, it's fake. So don't be so pressed over seeing certain things on social media and trying to live up to these super extreme standards, because honestly, that's not always how it is, and it's not what you should be doing. What else? Oh, I thought this picture was so funny, and my mom got mad at me for putting this on my board. But it's this girl and she's holding a champagne glass through her ass cheeks. I thought that shit was hilarious. My mom was not a big fan of me putting that on there, but that's okay. Then up here I have another thing that says, be intentional with who and what you carry into 2021. Kind of goes with the energy quote that I have over here. Be careful of who you bring into this new chapter of your life, this new year of your life. If they were toxic and or whatever, any kind of person, thing, whatever that was terrible in 2020, leave them there. only take the good into 2021 because you do not want to keep repeating bad mistakes. Okay, then over here, this is kind of like my financial, business, Miami vibes. I do want to move to Miami like full-time. Like, as many of you probably seen from my Instagram stories, I'm always in Miami. Everyone thinks I live in Miami, but I actually live an hour away, and I drive to Miami 2 to 3 times a week. So I want to actually have, so I basically live in Miami, but I don't have a residence, a permanent residence. So I want to get my own apartment with my best friend in Miami because we're basically there all the time, and I would love it to have a view. So I put a picture of an apartment with a good view. That's the goal. Put the word Miami here because you already know Miami vibes. And then I put a little key with an apartment because I really want to move out. I could have moved last year, but I decided not to. I decided to just stay at my parents' house, keep working on all my dreams, building my brand, really putting in a lot of work, and just collecting and securing the bag so I can move out properly and just have a better like place to stay, a place that I would love to stay in, not just like, not to settle for like anything. So also next to it says be a better person. I just put that there, thought it was cute. And then I have trust. I have Miss Blair Waldorf, you know, my queen, love her. If you don't know, I'm a big Gossip Girl fan, and I feel like I'm the Blair Waldorf, like, I don't know, bad bitch, we love it. And then it says I am confident, and I just put trust above her because, let me show you, it's, she's like holding up her hands, and I don't know, kind of like to trust the process basically. I did put another picture of her down here in more of like a serious face, and I want to be like the princess of my life, but also like the bad bitch, like lady boss that I am. And then over here I have more of like the business side. So on the top over here it says girl boss, and it like kind of, it's like girl boss, and the definition is like an ambitious young woman driven to succeed in her career or business. You know, we love it, girl boss moves. And then I have Miss Valentina Voigt. She's a good queen role model for me. I love her, she's so funny, love her. And she's in Miami, like, go Miami girls, like, we need to stick together. And then I have my own brand over here, Built by Brina, which you will probably see on my Instagram already. I think I already launched it, so you will see. And I just want to be successful with my own brand, you know, woman boss, making those moves, getting them packages. And I love like the pink branding, I think it's so cute. I also have the quote that says I am successful, so that's also like success, all the things I want to do. I have my Instagram, I want to get 10K. Right now I think I'm at like 6K, so I'm not that far off, but that's what I need to work on. I have a little lighter here that says hustle with a $sign for the S, just kind of like in the work vibes mood. And then I have, it says mood CEO with a bunch of O's, you know, like $1 million O's, so that's my mood. There's also a picture right here, and it's like me and success, and she's kissing the success, so that's what I want to do, just be successful. I also put my vlog camera over here, just for like, I want to keep vlogging, making more videos, making more content. I want to be more active on YouTube. I want to try to do like a video a week if possible. I was on a really good roll last year, so I want to continue, just keep on going. I want to reach 2,000 subscribers. Last year I wanted to reach 1,000, and I made to 980, which is a lot because I think I started off with like 300. It was not that much, and I was so proud of myself for even getting that close to 1,000. So this year I want to get to 2K. So if you haven't already, go subscribe, turn on the notifications so you can be informed of my next upload. Also, I put TikTok on here because TikTok's a thing now. So I want to reach 200K followers and 1 million likes. So that's just a little goal for me. I put also some money right here with a girl holding money, and I made it sparkly because, you know, girl vibes. I just fit the aesthetic, and then a girl working on her computer because that's how I really be. I be taking my computer everywhere, working all the time. Even when I'm on vacation, I just take it everywhere because honestly I love to work. And even on my vacations, like sometimes I just need to get stuff done and upload certain things, so I want to stay with that. I put a little skull here with money, so kind of like money on my mind keeping that same like vibe. And then I have bow and tea because I did want to work for Gymshark for a really long time and like be with them, but as they've changed a little bit, I've kind of like grown out of Gymshark. Not that I'm like not loving Gymshark, I love them still, but I feel like bow and tea is more my style now. What else? Oh, I have a girl over here in a bathtub throwing money because, you know, success. And then I have a picture of Jordan Woods, and over her it's like positivity, financial stability, peace, reassurance, reaching goals, happiness, fulfillment, just all of that. I want to manifest that into my life. I do have a picture of a girl over here by the water. It kind of goes into like the Mexico tropical vibes. Have some more skincare. And then I'm just gonna go over the affirmations that I put on my board. So I did put I'm successful over here by my like girl boss hustle mode like theme, and then I put I'm confident over here just because I want to be the confident person that I already am. I put I'm going to be a millionaire by like the money and the financial stuff, so I just want to keep on thriving, keep on making my money. And then I put I am healthy, I am strong by the fitness category because that's what it belongs in. And then I put I attract opportunities, kind of like in the travel section, because you meet a lot of people and you attract a lot of opportunities when you go new places, try new things, meet new people. So a lot of networking. And then I'm creating the life of my dreams. Also down here, it just kind of fit over here, so I just put it over here, but all of this is basically creating the life that I want. And yeah, this is my board for this year, and that's it for my vision board. It came out amazing. I loved it. I'm in love with it. Can't wait to hang it up in my room, and I can't wait to take you guys through all these new goals and journey. Like, I'm excited. This is gonna be a good year, I can already tell. And if you do make a vision board, please tag me, please send it to me. I would love to see it. The ones you guys made last year were really good, so if you do make one, please send it to me. Would love to see it. And I just want to say thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.